Norway, a land sculpted by glaciers and time, is a testament to nature's raw beauty. Imagine towering mountains, pristine glaciers, cascading waterfalls, and serene fjords. This Scandinavian gem boasts 47 national parks, each a unique sanctuary of biodiversity and breathtaking landscapes. These parks are not just protected areas, they are windows into Norway's soul, whispering tales of ancient ice ages and vibrant ecosystems. From the rugged peaks of Jotunheimen to the sprawling plateau of Hardangervidda, these parks offer a glimpse into the wild heart of Norway. These protected areas are crucial for preserving the country's natural heritage. They also provide a haven for outdoor enthusiasts and those seeking solace in the embrace of nature. The creation of these parks ensures the protection of Norway's diverse flora and fauna, from the delicate wildflowers carpeting the valleys to the majestic reindeer roaming the highlands. These parks stand as a testament to Norway's commitment to conservation and a legacy for generations to come. The parks are easily accessible with well-maintained trails and facilities, inviting visitors to explore their wonders responsibly. Whether it's a challenging hike or a leisurely stroll amidst nature's grandeur, Norway's national parks offer an experience that resonates deep within the soul. Hardangervidda, Europe's largest high mountain plateau, unfolds like a canvas painted in muted greens and blues. Imagine a vast expanse of rolling hills, dotted with sparkling lakes and carved by ancient glaciers. This is Hardangervidda, home to the largest wild reindeer herd in Europe. Jotunheimen, the realm of giants, truly lives up to its name. Towering peaks pierce the sky, their snow-capped summits mirrored in crystal-clear lakes. This is Jotunheimen, home to Norway's highest peaks and a paradise for hikers and climbers. Rondane National Park, a landscape of dramatic contrasts, captivates with its rugged charm. Imagine jagged peaks piercing the sky, their slopes adorned with verdant valleys and shimmering lakes. This is Rondane, a haven for hikers and nature enthusiasts. Each park offers a unique tapestry of landscapes, from the windswept plateaus of Hardangervidda to the jagged peaks of Jotunheimen and Rondane. These parks are not just geographical wonders, they are vibrant ecosystems teeming with life. The parks are a refuge for a rich diversity of wildlife. The Arctic fox echoes through the valleys while golden eagles soar overhead. Imagine spotting a musk ox, its coat blending with the rocky terrain. These creatures are a testament to the resilience of nature. In spring, meadows erupt in colors as wildflowers bloom. From lynx to otters, the parks offer a glimpse into their lives. Their presence reminds us of the delicate balance of ecosystems. The parks are also home to a rich tapestry of plant life. The sight of a reindeer calf or migrating geese fills one with awe. These parks offer insights into nature and the impact of climate change. Norway's national parks are not just breathtaking landscapes, they are essential for the well-being of the planet. These protected areas play a crucial role in mitigating climate change by acting as carbon sinks, absorbing and storing vast amounts of carbon dioxide. The parks are a testament to the power of collective action in preserving our planet's natural heritage. Their existence is a beacon of hope, reminding us that it is not too late to protect the Earth's wild places. These parks belong to all of us, a shared legacy that deserves our utmost respect and protection. As we explore these natural wonders, let us do so responsibly, leaving no trace of our presence, only footprints in the sand and memories in our hearts. The future of these natural treasures depends on our actions today. By supporting conservation efforts and promoting responsible tourism, we can ensure that these parks continue to inspire awe and wonder for generations to come.